Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can verify your identity in the Kraken app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Kraken app, and here, if you go to the main page, which is on the left side, and scroll up to the top of the screen, you will see the Verify Identity button just below the Submit Additional Information to Verify Your Identity text. Now, when you tap on it, it's going to open up the Verification tab, and it says that to comply with local regulations, make sure to have at hand an ID document and the proof of residence document if in the country that you live in there are two different documents for ID and proof of residence. Now just tap on verify identity, and here you have to choose the country that you are in right now. Let's say Hungary, for example. It's going to add the calling number. For Hungary it is +36, and then you can add your phone number here, which I want to do in this video because then everybody would know my phone number. And after that, just tap on next, and you can upload your ID, and your identity verification is done, which is important because you cannot invest in any crypto without verifying your identity. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.